This man did it. He said it. How many times does a man have to confess before someone believes him? And it's not a hallucination. I mean, you can take all the schizotypal psychobabble and all the cocaine in the world, and underneath it all, you have a guilty man who finally got it off his chest. So, to dignify their relationship, well, I don't want to get teary over this. Etan was a beautiful, outgoing, friendly, curious little kid. He would have made a great adult. But that's what got him killed. Because he was willing to go with his asshole downstairs.
Pedro's reaction is a very simple one. Does that mean I don't have to come back on Monday? Pedro is not a keen and cunning individual. Pedro is not a planner. Pedro is not someone who would spend 35 years avoiding criminal prosecution. Pedro is not the person that should be on trial in this case. I have nothing further.
Can you tell us, what did you say anything about the jurors?
They'll tell you.
And ultimately, I couldn't find enough evidence that wasn't circumstantial to convict. I couldn't get there.
Why?
So definitely a factor. It was a factor for all of us for a while. I think some of us needed to get over that more than others.
And another thing for me was his medical history from '79 to 2012. It seemed to be a profile of someone who did something heinous and was trying to repress it, suppress it, bury it deep down, and that was another big piece for me. Exactly, the depression, the feelings of guilt, the paranoia, the depression, the cocaine, all of those things.
Throughout the deliberations, was there
possibility was coming, and the more days that came by, was there?
I think there was definitely a sense that we were all trying our hardest, especially over the last 3 days, and we tried very hard, and I think we succeeded in being respectful and trying to be intellectual and intelligent about what we were saying. There were times that it got frustrated because two people read the same sentence and looked at it through a different lens, basically, is what happened. And but there was no screaming or hitting or anything of that nature.
What was the corroborating evidence for you?
Was anyone upset that the conviction did not happen?
Me personally, I'm very sad that we could not bring resolution to the case for a lot of reasons, for the Patz family, for the Hernandez family, for the city of New York. But we really tried our hardest, and I don't think we could have done any more from my point of view.
Did you do it again?
Yeah. Nothing's impossible. They'll get him next time. They'll get him next time.
What was that?
Pedro Hernandez, you know what you did.
What number